It's your girl Kayla Ade, and I'm back with another video. I know y'all wondering, like, where have you been for these hair videos? Well, if you haven't watched my previous video that I just dropped, then stop what you're doing and go watch that video and find out where I was. It was the weight loss journey video, and I kind of touched on basis on where I've been. A little snippet of that where I've been, but I'm back with the hair videos, and y'all been showing me so much love, and I appreciate y'all for that. Thank y'all. Y'all keep doing what y'all doing. But yes, by that title, by that thumbnail, I am going to try this product again. So I did a video reviewing it, and it was a no-go for me. So if y'all haven't watched that video, stop what y'all doing and go watch that video and see what happened. But I've been getting a lot of comments on what to do with this product, and that the company changed the ingredients or whatnot, or some crazy stuff. But I've been getting a lot of comments telling me to melt this, and then it's supposed to be like a gel consistency, and it's supposed to work. It works for others. I'm gonna see if it's gonna work on me, and if it don't, this product is just not for me, and I'm gonna just leave it alone. But okay, a quick update on my hair. Y'all probably looking at it like it has gotten way more curlier after a wash. Yes, I washed it. I just did a wash. I washed, shampooed, moisturized it, all that good stuff like I've done in my previous videos. So if you want to look at my previous videos, just go back into my previous videos and watch and see what I have done to my hair in those videos. But yes, a quick update. It's getting very healthy. It's being way more softer after washes. Yes, I have low porosity hair, so every time I do anything, wash it or whatever, it just, the water just sits on top, so it absorbs it quick and the water just run off. But I have gotten, I used to talk about my gray hairs. I have gotten way lot more gray hairs in my front, all over. It's just gray everywhere. I don't care about my gray hair. I mean, it's life, so it is what it is. But yes, so what y'all came here for, I'm about to get into that. And if it don't work, I'm gonna just use my good old girl extreme gel, because I had to buy me a new one. Y'all see this brand new, I ain't opened it yet. I had to give me a new one. But I'm about to go melt this in the microwave. I don't know how long I'm gonna warm it up. I'm probably gonna warm it up for about Lord, I'm about to blow some up. I'm gonna melt this for about 1 minute, I'm gonna say. If y'all don't remember, this stuff smells so good, and it's like real oily, so I need some moisture in my hair, so it probably gonna add some of that shine. This is what it looks like. It's all gel, like clumpy. Y'all know how I feel about this, but I'm about to do that since I got so many recommendations on how to use this. They said that they warmed it up, so I'm gonna try that, and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. I melted it down. I double boiled it, but if y'all can see, like, it's very much oily water. I don't know if I was supposed to melt it down this far, but I melted it down for a minute, and you see that steam coming from it, so I'm not gonna touch it right now because I know it's like really, really hot. Yeah. It give you a little, when I touched it, it give you, y'all can't see, it give you a little, not too much oil, but not too much clunkiness like it was last time. So I don't know how I feel about this, y'all. This product is probably just not for me. It's the coconut curling gel soufflé. I think that's what it's called. If I'm wrong, y'all, just bear with me. But If it don't work, it just don't work, because it's still not giving me no gel consistency like, you know, how extreme gel is. And this man good to me too. So the products, we already know product. So the tools I'll be using today are, I'm gonna be using clamps. I lost my dimming brush, y'all. I haven't did a video in so long, and I just misplaced all my stuff, so I'm gonna be using, it's kind of like a dimming brush, but I like my other brush. I'm using that, and I'm gonna be using my water spray bottle. I still haven't got a new yet. I haven't did video, so I wasn't even thinking about hair products or hair utensils that I may need. So I'm gonna let this cool down some, and then we're gonna get right into the video. Okay, y'all, so I put it back in the container. It's still a little warm, but it cooled down a little. So I'm gonna just get right into the process. So yeah, I'm gonna spray my hair down because I know the water absorbed and I need some more water. And then I'm gonna just put this on first and show y'all how I look with this by itself. And if I don't like it, then I'm gonna add my extreme gel with it. So I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so that is how it looks. I don't know what else. I don't know what to say about this product. This is like the second epic fail for me, because I mean, it did more than it did in my last video. It gave it a little curl, but it's frizzy, and I like my curls to be clumped together, so it's still no for me, y'all. So I don't know. I'm not disappointed, but I just wanted to make a video doing what you all requested me to do, and I probably still got a bad batch. Like, y'all's probably still better than mine's or whatever, even though they changed the formula or whatnot. I'ma just use this as a grease or oil to shine my hair, but I just wanted to get rid of this, to be honest, and it's not going well because I spent my money on this, but it is what it is, y'all. It's still not working for me. If y'all have some more suggestions, just put it in the comment box below, but I'm finna just still use it, but use the extreme gel at the same time and just give y'all a wash and go, I'm assuming, because like this. So I'm gonna just give y'all a wash and go with this as a oil. It's still not doing anything for me. I still like it, and they need to go back to the original ingredients, and maybe I'll use it then, but I'm sure enough not buying another one of these again. But thank y'all for commenting what I should do and this and that. So I'm just making a video to show y'all that I taken y'all requests and I did what y'all asked me to do, and it's still a no for me, so it's still a no. So I'm gonna just continue this video, and y'all can just continue watching me do the rest of my hair, because I have somewhere to go today, and I was hoping this was gonna work, but it was still an epic fail. Okay, so I just added the extreme gel. I don't know if it's this, I don't know if it's this that's making my hair long, because the last time I put extreme gel in, I don't think it made my hair more, the wet look more long instead of, but it's also probably gonna dry up, and and then have the shrinkage. But right now, I want to say that this has something to do with it making it long. I don't know, y'all don't quote me on that, but I want to say it's making it more coilier and longer, because the gel by itself, I know when I use the screen by itself, I don't think it always had length to it like this, but it also has to dry up. So we'll see in the process. I'm gonna do a screen by itself and see, do it come out this long. So y'all bear with me. I'll be right back. Okay, so y'all, if y'all can tell, let me know if y'all can tell the difference. So this is with the Soufflé gel, and it has wavy, like looser coils, and then the screen by itself gives me that clumpness with a little, I'm pulling it, you know, I'm seeing me pulling it. It gives me that waviness. Let's see, y'all see? It gives me clump curls at the end, and this is giving me wavy curls at the end. Like, it's giving me wavy loose. If y'all understand what I'm saying, y'all know what I'm saying. I'm trying to make it make sense. But if y'all can tell where I'm coming from, like, it's giving me looser. Okay, I may say put screen gel and this combination together. I may just came up with something. If you want, for your hair texture, and then this probably don't work because of my hair texture, but if you want longer coils, like the wet look, mix these two together. But if, you know, everybody know how the extreme gel makes their hair, so if you just want that clumpiness, mix. And you see how it's already, it's been sitting and it's still long, and you see this it's been sitting for like not that long, and it's already giving me shrinkage unless I pull it. Y'all get what I'm saying? I hope that made sense. But I'm probably gonna go for this look because I've been going with the shrinkage look, and I never could find anything to make mine volume, because the diffuser really don't work on my hair because it just makes it frizzy, and I hate that. So y'all just drop y'all comments down below. Let me know if y'all think I'm tripping or what. If y'all see a difference, just let me know, because I see a difference. I don't want to hype this product too much because I still really don't like it, but I see a difference because this screen is very much settled. Okay, let me put my head straight. And my hair is even all the way around, so just look. That's a difference. That's very much a difference. So let me know what y'all think in the comments below, but I'm gonna go for this look instead of this look because I've done this before for today, and I'm gonna just keep going. If I don't like it, I'm gonna just add a lot of cream on top of it. But I'm gonna see y'all when I finish the back of my hair, because I know y'all wanna watch this long video, so I'm gonna speed it up, and I'm gonna see y'all when I get to the top. Okay, so as I am continuing the other side, you see that it's still giving me them clumpness and that length that I'm going for, and this it just automatically shrinks, but it's still giving me that length, and I'm loving it. So one thing that I like about both of these together, so okay, so the longer it's sitting right here, and I should have did that probably, let me not shortchange them, but the longer I let this sit and cool down, it's becoming like gel-like. I probably can't see it, but it's like, it's becoming gel-like. So maybe if you do warm it up and let it sit, but it's still, you can tell like at the bottom, it's trying to go back into those clumpiness. But I put it on my hair, and this is what it did. It gives me that curl, but it gives me that frizz, and I don't like frizz. So like I said, it's a pro and con to this for me. When I add that scream, it give me this, but when I do it by itself, it give me this. It give me that frizz, and I don't like that. So it's not that bad, but it's not for me. So, but I still don't like it. I still like it, but like I said, I'm gonna just wait until I get to the top, and I'm gonna show y'all what I did. But I had to update y'all on that part. Give me a little coils at the end, but it's frizzy right here. So that's where the extreme gel comes and hold the curl and the coils together and make them clumpy. So I'll be right back, y'all. This is the back half. I still got a little length. It's not really long, but it's longer than I normally have when I'm doing my wash and goes. But I love how the curls turning out. Like, even though this semi-epic fail again, but another thing is, after so long, the gel gets back to the natural state, but it's not clumpy like, so it's more like a gel, but it still give off that clumpiness, but it's not as clumpy as it was when I got it from the store. But it's getting back to it though, so you'll have to warm it up again or just continue to use it like that. But as of right now, I'm loving how it's making me have length plus coiliness. So it's an every fail for the product, but it's not every fail for how my hair is turning out, because I love it. But I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna come back when I finish the top. Okay, y'all, so I'm finished. I was gonna come back and show y'all the process of me going all the way to the top, but I was really feeling like this was gonna be like the same thing from another video, so I just scratched that because I'm not trying to show y'all how I do my hair. I was just showing y'all how the product went with my hair, you know what I'm saying? I was just redoing a review on what I really wasn't trying to show y'all how I was doing my hair, so I really didn't show that part, but this is the outcome. It's very much stretch, so I would say that product gives my hair a very much stretch texture. But when it dry up, it probably gonna dry up. Like the bottom is dry, but it's dry a little. See my top, I just finished my top, so it's way more looser, but the bottom half normally be about up here when it's dry or semi-dry, but so right now it still has that long texture from, I want to say it's from that gel, the other gel, and my extreme gel together. So I may came up with a killer combo. I don't know. So if y'all want to use this and see what it did to y'all hair, or if y'all have some more comments about what went wrong with this product, but that's all I can say it did for my hair. It made it longer, the curls longer, but it's probably gonna straighten back up. But y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what y'all want to see me do next in the comments down below. Peace.